60.
All right, fair enough, Rajesh. Thank you very much for that. Good speaking with you. Those are some individual names, and on the Nifty, eventually 18 to 500 or so is coming. Now, on Market Lazer today, I'm going to present a chart. This is DLF I'm going to talk about. And, you know, it's not just DLF. The chart will tell you the story. A lot of stocks are showing similar kind of price patterns. Most of them are, not most, but I sort of went through the well-traded liquid F&O names. And let's have the chart up, please. DLF is at an important trend line. And it's, as I said, it's not just DLF, but it is a lot of other names as well. Do we have the chart? Okay, I think what we'll do is we'll just give it 2 seconds and then come back because I think we're having some difficulty in pulling that chart up. It'll make more sense once we have it. Just coming back to it. But I think, Sonia, we have a discussion on auto.
Oh, absolutely. You know, there are almost 25 new launches coming up in 2023 from the big players, the Tatas, the Marutis, you know, the M&Ms of the world. So there's plenty to talk about in the auto space. But of course, having said that, growth has moderated as well. So we have Vasudev Banerjee, who's joining in. He tracks
Sonia, just 1 minute. Sorry, I'm being told that they've managed to pull that chart
up.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Vasudev, sorry for the flip-flop. I know you can hear us. Just coming to you. If you can have that chart up, the DLF chart, this is what we are doing. This is the simple trend line from the lows of June. I mean, the first touch point is the 20th of June levels, which was 294. Then, I mean, we came very close in the month of September 2022 this year to touching those levels, never quite did. There was a touch point exactly on this trend line on the 17th of October 2022. That was at 351. So first in June, that is 294. Then in October, that is at 351. And then finally, yesterday, the DLF price broke through this level, as you can see, and it pulled back, ending about 3-4 rupees. There was a clean break through this level, and then it kind of pulled back and ended slightly above that level. So I would say this qualifies as something that you'd want to watch. In any case, you know, these levels around 380, 390, 395, this becomes crucial. If this is held, like in the past, maybe it gives you a bit of a bounce. If this is broken, it perhaps opens up downsides. Mitessh, I think, is still with us. Mitessh, you know, I don't know if you can see the chart, but if you can, or if you pull this up on your screen, any thoughts? DLF?
See, I think you've drawn a trend line over there, which is an important level. But also consider that the indicator setup isn't very positive. So there could be a bounce back, and the stock might, you know, travel to about levels of 405, 404. If there's failure at those levels, then I think the price will come back again and then try to break below the trend line. So I think the support level, the trend line is there, but the overall setup is not inspiring confidence of momentum on the upside. So to my understanding, I think this is a chart which can give a bounce back, but I think eventually might again come back and attempt one more chance to break below this level.
All right. Thank you very much, Mitessh, for that. So that's DLF. Keep an eye, keep under the radar. That's, you know, the stock for today. But back to auto and those launches, Sonia.
Absolutely. I mean, it's going to be a big year. A lot of these companies are very aggressively upgrading their portfolios as well, their India portfolios. But there are almost 25 new launches in 2023 from the large players. The one that I'm closely watching is from the M&M stable, which will happen in the month of January. It's the XUV 400 electric vehicle that promises to be both at an attractive price point as well as, you know, good on the road. So let's see. Vasudev Banerjee, analyst at ICICI Securities, joins us now to talk about that. Basu, before we talk about the new